Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. We are going to need a dome cap for this tutorial, and we are going to use a kinky hair for this. Alright, so let's get to the video. Okay, so I'm going to pick the hair and use a pin to hold it tight to the dam. And I'm going to thread this. Guys, please look at this carefully. I'm using the hair as a thread so that the sewing of this cap becomes very natural. You can also use a thread, but I decided to use the same hair for this to make it easier and natural. Okay, so I'm going to continue with the same process, and as you can see, I'm still using the hair as a form of a thread to make the sewing very easy for me. You know, you can use a black thread, but using a thread sometimes makes it very difficult for the thread to hide itself. So using the same hair fix that issue or that problem for you. So yeah, when you are done cutting, you try and make a knot with the hair. Okay, so I'm going to continue with the same process till I am satisfied with what I want, and I wouldn't be talking too much in this tutorial. I want you guys to relax and then enjoy the rest of the tutorial. Okay guys, so if you're watching this tutorial and you are learning something, kindly like the video and don't forget to subscribe. You can also leave a comment below, and please share this video. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. I love you so much. Keep watching. Okay, so I decided to put a lace, a Swiss lace, and sew down so that I can create an opening at the half side. Okay, after I'm done with the sewing, I'm going to use foundation to dab the lace to deepen the color, because this lace is very, very light, and I know some of you cannot see this, but it's a lace, so I'll just dab with my foundation to make it visible. Yeah, so that's the only new thing I just added, and just continue with the sewing, just leaving a small pattern or a small line in between the lace to create a natural line drawn. Yeah, so guys, so that's just it, and I believe you get the understanding of whatever I want to carry across. Yeah. I'm just going to use a pair of scissors to trim the excess hair. Okay, so I'm just cutting the hair down to create a very low cut. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. There are some portions that weren't uniform, so I had to trim all those areas down. And with the front, I just pictured how my hairline is, and I cut accordingly. I just cut according to my hairline. Alright, so guys, I believe you find this tutorial very helpful, and I know you can try your hands and also get a different look. It might not look the same, but you can as well try your best, try your hands, add certain things up and get a perfect look. I just wanted to give you just this, and I believe you like it. Wait for the final look, guys. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.